man is facing 10 years in federal prison after illegally re-entering the country. Channel 5's Angelo Vargas finds out how the federal courts determine these sentences. Angelo.
The man in federal custody who crossed the border illegally has several prior convictions and did time after his first deportation. We take a look at the sentencing process. The United States Sentencing Guidelines is a thick book. It lists a long list of crimes and shows the various levels of convictions. It's like a manual for prosecutors. Criminal defense attorney Carlos Garza explains the number of convictions make a difference in the sentencing amount.
For example, let's say they raise you by 4 levels, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that puts you at a 10 to 16 months. And if you're aggravated and so forth, then it's going to take you up to a maximum of 10. So that's where the judge was, and the maximum of 10 is going to put you at a level 32.
The U.S. Justice Department announced this week Tomas Aquino Pacheco pleaded guilty in June for illegal re-entry. In their statement, it says Aquino has an extensive criminal history with drug offenses in 1999 and in 2012 and spent months in federal prison. Then he was caught crossing illegally on April 2016 near Hidalgo. Assistant U.S. Attorney in charge Homero Ramirez does the intake of cases and makes final decisions on cases they accept.
The more criminal history or the more serious crimes a person has, the more likely they're going to receive a higher sentence in the federal system.
Garza says the Attorney General Jeff Sessions' memorandum in May lays out the law. It reminds prosecutors to focus their priority on cases like Aquino's.
Showing you, they're letting people know. If you're going to come back and re-enter into the United States illegally again, you're facing some stiff penalties, especially if you've already been convicted of other crimes.
Aquino is facing 10 years in federal prison. Right now, Aquino is in federal custody, waiting to be assigned to a federal prison. After he does his time, he will face another deportation hearing. Angelo Vargas, Channel 5 News at 5.